Patience pays, my friend. I'm telling you guys, I've been calling this out and we've been watching this for a while now. Today we closed out over 13 G's on Tesla in some day trades, and I averaged down on my January calls, which we'll talk about extensively in this video. Closed the day up about 4,000. At the time I was up 2,000. We're going to go over in detail why I averaged down on my calls for January, why I think Tesla's still going to probably move up to about $260 to $280 within the next couple of weeks, and why I averaged down this morning. We're going to start first with why I averaged down this morning. And if you guys go over and follow me on X, which you guys definitely need to be following me because I put all these trades out here completely for free for you guys. But today I said I'm adding 15 contracts to my Tesla January calls. This was a planned buy-in as we wanted a max 30 position, meaning 30 contracts was the most amount that I wanted to hold. I said we're not just averaging down for dear life or hoping that Tesla recovers. You plan this risk from the start. Let's see how the rest of the week pans out, and if we take the loss, we take it on the chin. Now at this time, Tesla had opened up and sold off for the entire morning, but I saw this liquidity zone sitting here at about $228. Now, as we pull back, we bounce off of this liquidity zone at $228, and this is where I averaged down because I knew that if we had the Fed decision that came out and it was as expected, but what we were really looking for was guidance, and I knew that if we broke 230 and we were unable to hold and we made a lower low, that the chances of Tesla actually recovering would be very low. So that's why it was a key level for me to buy. I bought on that liquidity level, we saw stock rise, and then look, right as we go into the Fed decision, what happens? Boom, back-to-back bullish order blocks. So we see big money's buying this up, and we're going into the Fed decision, we're going into the presser. I wonder what's going to happen, guys. And then boom, Tesla rallies from 231, closes out the day strong, and now tomorrow, I think we're probably going to continue this gap up and rally up into the 240s. If you can see now, S&P 500 futures are still continuing to run up about 0.5% already. And you can see here as well on Tesla, I think we'll probably move our way up into this level in the next couple of days. The Santa rally is a legitimate thing. It's not just because like, oh, Santa Claus. It's legitimately because there's nothing that's really stopping the market for the next couple of weeks. There's no massive earnings. There's no unforeseen data. There's no reports, there's no federal rate decisions, there's nothing. So that's why when the market hates uncertainty. When you can give it 2 weeks of absolute certainty, it's going to do nothing but run most of the time. So let's zoom out here to a 1 hour and take a look at Tesla now. Tomorrow, it's going to be very important that we push and hold over $240. But here's the good news. Looking at the bigger time frame on the 1 hour, we don't have a lot of volume here. So as long as we can push and carry through, I think tomorrow we could see Tesla up at about $247.80. That's going to be my target for highs as of tomorrow. From there, guys, we have a really big resistance level from 250 up to here, but I do believe that once we push through that, we should have no problem running up into that 260 level. So short term resistance 242 to 243, from there up to 252, and then from there up to about 262. Now the final thing I want to look at here is going to be the weekly chart, which is a massive time frame, but it's a very important time frame because it's very, very, very strong. But we are tightly consolidating here for about the past month and a half, and all we need here is this break above 250 for this release to occur. And I'm telling you, this is where that skyrocketing will happen, where we could have 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row of green candles and potentially see Tesla back up into that $300 level. And there is money behind it. Look at this bullish order block, massive bull order block that came in as we bounced off of support. So I'm very bullish on Tesla for the next couple of weeks and the next couple of months. I know that this week I haven't been putting out a lot of content, but it's because I've been focusing heavily on building out the community and building out our private academy going into 2024, but all of our content will be back to normal as of tomorrow. If you guys want to get access to all my trades, down in the description, it will be the second link. I promise you it more than pays for itself. Today we close out over $20,000 in total, and I only charge $50 a month for all of our trades. Get all of our trading bots, as well as much, much more. Second link in the description. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.